Hello my dear friends, this is the Z1 rear differential breather kit. So the hose seems to be okay, quality looks to be nice. 2 cable ties and there's this metal part which is coming direct onto the rear differential. There is a breather on the rear differential which you have to get rid of because it's not working properly. It's getting contamination and it will be clogged, so it won't be able to breathe anymore, and your seals at the back axle will lose oil because of the high pressure. So it's a countermeasurement in order to protect the back axle seals of your car, which is a very intensive and expensive job to change. Okay, so this part is coming on the rear differential. If you're European guy, this won't fit your car. According to the Google KI, I don't know if it's 100% sure, but I believe it. This seems to be an American size thread, and I watched some videos. It's also a little bit too long, it's sticking out, the thread. So I ordered this part. It's a European thread size and it should fit the car. It's also made from stainless steel and it's almost the same, but as you see, it has a different shape. As you see here, I will show you. It fits really nice inside the hose. It's a good fit. After fitting it, also you have this. You have to use this. I don't know how to call this. There's some brackets which apply pressure to here, and it will hold this part in place. Okay, you have 2 of them, one at this end and one at the other end of the hose. This part is coming at the other end of the hose, which many people route to the tail light of the car, and they mount it there with a cable tie. It's a clean spot where you don't have a lot of contamination and where you don't have dirt that is clogging up this opening here where the rear differential is breathing. So if you're a European guy, you have to order this part. I just ordered 2 of them. They were very cheap, maybe 2 or 3 euros one of them. And what I like about it, it's a little bit shorter than the original one. I will show you. So it's here. So this is the US one on the right, left side European. I watched some videos where people installed this, the US version, and it was sticking out, the threads. So this should be a fit. This should have a better fit. And if you mount this, I'll show you what you need more. You have to apply this to the threads in order to make them, to seal them. Thread sealing compound, okay? You have to apply it on these threads here. Okay. I think it's enough information about this kit, but it's an important upgrade or tuning measurement. I don't know what to call it. it's not tuning, it's protecting your car. It's correcting the mistake from the factory. Yeah. That's all for now, my friends. See you soon. Bye bye.